My first impression of Channel 16 was during my first month here over 3 years ago, and I thought, wow, Fairfax County government really gets it. They invest in Channel 16 in a way that our residents can really be proud of, and in a way that informs them. I've never seen anything quite like it. We're the very best at it. Go Channel 16.
Every once in a while, one of my kids will come up to me and say, I saw you on TV, and then I ask them where, and they say Channel 16. And so it is kind of a running joke at home that, you know, if you go to Channel 16, you might find me on there every once in a while, and they, as kids, of course, get a kick out of that.
I remember one time I was having difficulty trying to figure out what to wear for shows, and I think it was Donna Minacci took me aside, and she told me, you know, what colors to look for. And I remember she told me that I could wear my blouse or my shirt out instead of having a belt because it looked better on the camera. And I thought, wow, I did not anticipate to get fashion advice from Channel 16, but I sure did, and it worked, and I've done it ever since.
These two guys got in each other's face, all of this on camera, and started a fight. Meantime, the black dog got into a fight with someone's dog who someone had brought.
And I just started rambling on and on and on about, I'm sorry, I started rambling on and on about my experience with sports, and the producer came down out of the auditorium, I guess, booth that you all have, and she came down and said, I didn't tell you to start. And I had done about 5 minutes of the program already.
Remember when I did that program in Spanish?
Yes.
I don't speak a lick of Spanish, so that was all memorized stuff. And the funny thing was that we need to do a retake, right? And so the guy at the camera says, why don't you take it from such and such a line? I had no clue what she was talking about.
And so we had a dog fight, a person fight, and the animal control sworn officer sitting next to me goes down to his radio and he says, we need backup. Send backup to the Braddock office.
So one of my favorite memories for Channel 16 is when I first started working here almost 3 years ago, I committed to visiting all 420 parks. Towards the end of that tour, I went with Channel 16 to one park in every district with that district supervisor. And they created an award-winning program called Jay's Park Tour that really highlighted all of those things. It was award-winning not because of me and not because of the supervisors, but because of the work for Channel 16. It was really just great hanging out with those folks and really getting to know them and having them usher me through this whole crazy production process.
Our Shop with a Sheriff program is one of our signature programs, and every year we take children who reside at emergency shelters shopping for items that they need to start the school year off right. You all are very supportive of this program, and you do a great job in sharing with the community what it is and how we're able to make a child's life a little bit better.
One of the best things about Fairfax County is how transparent we are and how much we engage with the community. And Channel 16 has played a major role in that.
I look at Channel 16 as an important connector between county government and all the activities we're involved in and our residents, and helping them understand why these things are important to their day-to-day life.
Channel 16 has always been there for us, whether it's for ribbon cutting, whether it's for groundbreaking, whether it's to promote a new program, or to just share with the Fairfax County community what great things we have going on in NCS. So I want to say thank you so much, and we appreciate everything that you all do.
Things need to happen during emergencies and even during non-emergency times. The messaging needs to be very timely. And we've depended on Channel 16 over and over and over the years, and they've delivered every time.
Programs like Parks Plus and public service announcements and other things that Channel 16 provides really lets our residents know what they can come and do for free, entertainment, come see baby animals, all of those great things the Park Authority has to offer.
Folks in Fairfax County crave information, and they know they can go to Channel 16 to get that timely, up-to-date information with great context. So I can't wait to see what Channel 16 does next, because I know what they've done for the last 40 years has really made our county the very, very best.
I'm happy to encourage your staff just to keep doing what they're doing, because they really are excellent professional county employees who really care about their work, and they care about the messages that we're sending out through Channel 16.